To get the radio out, simple and easy, let me show you. First thing you want to do is come down here to these ports right here. You have this one right here and you have this one on this side. So all you're going to do is come up here. This pops right out. Alright, get that out of the way. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and get these out of the way. I'm going to come over on this side right here, do exactly the same thing. I'll plug this guy right here. Alright, now that those are out, we have two little 7mm. Let me show you where they are real quick. Alright, you have one 7mm bolt right here. And you have one 7mm bolt right there. So we're going to remove those real quick and then pop this cover off, and it'll give us full access to the radio. So let me get them out of the way real quick. Alright, pretty much once you remove your two screws right there that hold it in, all you're going to do is reach up on the back side right here. And just pretty much pull out. Alright. Sometimes they can be stubborn, just be careful because you don't want to break anything. Of course mine wants to be really stubborn. Alright, now once you get that down, just pull it out a little bit and all your controls right here. We're going to go ahead and at this moment leave this like this. You don't really have to take anything else apart. Alright, we have four 7mm bolts right here. We're going to go ahead and remove all of them. The whole key is to get this, pull the radio out and check for power. Alright, once you remove all the screws, slide your lovely head unit out. And actually it's got a lot of room up here. It's actually got enough room that we were able to set it up on the dash. And we're going to go ahead and put a test light up in there and see what we've got. And so stay tuned for the other radio videos. One's going to be troubleshooting, and then of course one's going to be the install of an aftermarket radio. So anyways, I hope it helps you guys remove your factory radio from your dash, and I'll catch you on the next one.